Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. All right guys, I'm excited today because I'm going to make a delicious one skillet chicken. And these are some of my favorite. I love it whenever you can cook a wonderful meal in one skillet. Now this is a balsamic chicken, so it is full of delicious flavor. The chicken is juicy. It makes a wonderful sauce that can go with pasta. Yeah, this is a good one. So let me go over all the ingredients that you will need and show you just how to make this delicious one skillet balsamic chicken. So the chicken that I'm using today is boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you could use the boneless, skinless chicken breasts if you want. I'm going to season my chicken with some salt and pepper. Then I have here a pint of cherry tomatoes, but you can also use grape tomatoes. And then I have some mozzarella cheese. I had a hard time finding the fresh mozzarella. This was as close as I could find. I'm going to be slicing this cheese and placing it on my chicken. Then you'll need some olive oil, and then to make the sauce, you'll need 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 garlic cloves, and then you'll need some fresh basil. So I'm just going to season this chicken with some salt and pepper. I'll flip the chicken over and do the other side. All right, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil to a large skillet. All right, so we're going to sear our chicken, but I want to let this oil get nice and hot. All right, so once your oil is hot, then place your chicken. And we're going to cook this chicken a couple minutes on each side. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to make the sauce. So into a small bowl, I'm going to add the balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add the honey. I'm also going to add the Dijon mustard, and I'm going to add the Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to mince my garlic. And then just give it a stir. All right, so my sauce is mixed up. Next, I'm going to slice my mozzarella cheese, and I want like 6 slices for each piece of chicken. And then I'm going to take my cherry tomatoes, and I'm just going to slice them in half. So after my chicken has cooked a couple minutes on each side, I'm going to pour my sauce over my chicken. And next I'm going to sprinkle in the tomatoes, just scattering them all around. And then I'm going to place a piece of cheese on top of each piece of chicken. All right, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to clip off some of this fresh basil. Now if you're growing your own basil, that is wonderful. I'm going to actually grow this plant after I get done today using it. I love fresh basil. Then I'm just going to take the leaves and do a little chiffonade, which is just a type of cut on these leaves. All right, then I'm going to take my basil and sprinkle all around on top of my chicken and tomatoes and mozzarella. So then I'm going to take my skillet and I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so, just until that chicken is completely cooked through. Okay, so the balsamic chicken is all done, and oh my goodness, I really wish that you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. And I'm gonna serve it alongside some angel hair pasta. Yeah. This chicken is so tender and juicy and flavorful. It is delicious. And it makes such a delicious sauce that goes great with pasta. All right, guys, I hope that you give this balsamic chicken a try. I know that you will love it. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.